Hello friends, in this video I will show you my all paintings made by me. So let's start. In this painting I will made it on canvas, or in this there is some errors because of too much of water. This is waterfall painting, and next is this butterfly painting. It is, I will use some whiteness in this, that for making it white. And this is of butterfly at night, outing from a jar. And next is this of waterfall with a breakdown of this star. And this, in this I will make this of black paint and brown of this mixture of, and this is black borders of black paint, and there is little bit grasses for more good looking. And now today I will show you my latest painting that I today made. Is this is a deer painting which is standing on a rock in far from a waterfall. And there are some flowers, and there are tree with some flowers. There is, I used some detailing on it. I done like this, that place, that place. So thank you friends, this is my painting. Today I made this painting, and there is some detailing like this, and there I will make some detailing. For more videos please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.